How to fix Epic Games self-update failed. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your Epic Games self-update failed issue. So if you're also facing such an issue where your Epic Games is failing to self-update, here's what you can do. First thing, always make sure that you have a good internet connection. Once you make sure of that, the next thing you can do is come over to the taskbar. Right-click on it and click on Task Manager. Once you open your Task Manager, head over to the Task Manager, right-click on your Epic Games launcher, and simply end the task from over here. After doing that, the next thing you can try is if it's still not being updated, head over to your epicgamesstore.com. From here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, simply select the download option and download the Epic Games launcher for your PC. Once you download it, try to reinstall the application itself. Uninstall the original one, your previous version, by simply searching for Epic Games and uninstalling it from here. Once you reinstall the application, your issue should be fixed successfully. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.